The Boeing 737 Next Generation, commonly abbreviated as 737NG or 737 Next Gen, is a narrow-body aircraft powered by two jet engines and produced by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. Launched in 1993 as the third-generation derivative of the Boeing 737, it has been produced since 1997 and is an upgrade of the 737 Classic series. It has a redesigned wing with a larger area, a wider wingspan, greater fuel capacity, and higher maximum takeoff weights and longer range. It has CFM International CFM56-7 series engines, a glass cockpit, and upgraded and redesigned interior configurations. The series includes four variants: the 600-700-800-900, seating between 108 and 215 passengers. The 737NG's primary competition is the Airbus A320 family. As of February 2022, a total of 7,124 737NG aircraft had been ordered, of which 7,088 had been delivered, with remaining orders for 1-700 BBJ1, 2-800, and 33-800A variants. The most common variant was the 737-800, with 4,991 commercial, 191 military, and 23 corporate, or a total of 5,205 jets ordered. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.